Good afternoon, students. Today we will see application of infrared spectroscopy. Calculation of force constant. Okay, as per the simple harmonic oscillator approximation, the vibrational frequency of a diatomic molecule having atoms of masses m1 and m2 is given by frequency is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi square root of k by mu hertz, where k is the force constant, mu is the reduced mass. This is expressed in hertz, and normally when we say about any IR spectroscopy, we used to say in terms of wave number. So this will be divided by C, wave number, frequency divided by C, that is velocity of the light will give you wave number, which you represent by nu bar. So this equation divided by C is equal to 1 by 2 pi C square root of k by mu, where C is velocity of light. Now mu is equal to, you can calculate from the masses of the atom, m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. This we are considering for diatomic molecules only. Polyatomic molecules, there are a lot of bonds will be there. For example, triatomic carbon dioxide, CO2 bonds is there. So we are not going into that details now. We will be stopping by diatomic molecules. Okay, and C is the velocity. So force constant can be calculated by rearranging equation 1 and 2. Okay, so you know nu bar is equal to 1 by 2 pi c square root of k by mu. This was the equation. So what we are going to do, we are taking this one here and keeping this to go this side. So 2 pi c nu bar it will become. Okay, 2 pi c nu bar is equal to square root of k by mu. Now taking square, we want to remove the square root term, we want force constant k. So taking the square, what happens, k by mu, square root will become simply k by mu. This will become square 2 pi c nu bar the whole square. Okay, therefore k is equal to mu can be written here. So what happened, this square is 2 into square 4, mu as such it is there, pi square, c square nu bar square. So this is what is the expression for force constant. Okay, the force constant can be calculated from IR spectrum. How we will do from the IR spectrum, we know what is the nu bar for a particular bond. For example, if you have CO, there will be a band around, we have seen 500 and 1550 and all, or 1754, we have seen that. So that we will get what is known as nu bar. So if you want know nu bar, we can substitute in this expression and we can calculate the force constant. So force constant tells us about the strength of the bond, bond order, etc. So we can calculate all that things from the bond strength or force constant. Then force constant value for a number of bonds are given below. Carbon, this is expressed in dynes per centimeter. Carbon single bond 4.6 into 10 to the power 5. Carbon double bond 9.5 into 10 to the power 5. Carbon triple bond 15.8 into 10 to the power 5. So we can see it is increasing in this order. Similarly, carbon oxygen single bond 4.5 into 10 to the power 5. Sorry, 4.9 into 10 to the power 5. C double bond O is 12.3 into 10 to the power 5. C triple bond O is 18.6 into 10 to the power 5. So these all are calculated from IR spectrum. Now we'll do some numerical problems. Given that the fundamental vibration for HCl is 8.667 into 10 to the power 13 Hertz. Calculate the force constant of HCl bond. Given hydrogen, mass of hydrogen is 1.6739 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. Mass of chlorine is 58.8675 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. Yeah. So force constant is the one we are asked to calculate. Force constant K is equal to 4 mu pi squared nu squared. Why we took this is, I explained the force constant with respect to nu bar. With this also we can do it, because K by mu you can write this is equal to 2 pi nu, okay, square root. So K, taking the square, K by mu is equal to 4 pi squared nu squared, and K is equal to 4 pi squared nu squared mu. Why this expression is taken here is, what is given here is fundamental frequency. See the one, it's not centimeter inverse, it's hertz. So if you wanted to convert to centimeter inverse, you have to divide by C. So instead of that we have taken this expression, okay, 4 mu pi squared nu squared. Then this is not nu bar, sorry, it is nu. Nu is equivalent as 8.667 into 10 to the power 30. Then mass of hydrogen 1.6739 into 10 to the power minus 27. Chlorine is 58.8675 into 10 to the power minus 27. Pi is equal to 3.14. So first we will calculate mu. Mu is equal to m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 1.6739 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 58.8675 into 10 to the power minus 27 divided by 1.6739 into 10 to the power 27 plus 58.8675 into 10 to the power minus 27. So when you do the calculation, you will get 1.6276 into 10 to the power minus 27. This is the reduced mass. Then we know pi is equal to 3.14. This is not there, sorry, C square. This expression is wrong. 4 pi squared nu squared. This is what is the one into mu. So 4 into 1.6276 into 10 to the power minus 27 is mu. Pi square 3.14 into the whole square. Then nu square is 8.667 into 10 to the power 13 the whole square. So you will get 482.175 Newton meter raised to minus 1. Newton meter raised to minus 1 is the one we use to represent the force. So this is the value. Okay, this is substitute panni you see it. Okay. In a second question, if the force constant for hydrogen iodide is 283.4 Newton meter inverse, then calculate the fundamental frequency in centimeter inverse. So here you are asked to calculate nu bar. Okay. Mu is given 1.661 into 10 to the power minus 27. So we know nu bar is equal to 1 by 2 pi c square root of k by mu. You are given k and mu, pi and c are its constant only, we know the value. So k is 283.4 Newton meter raised to minus 1. Mu is equal to 1.661 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. Pi is equal to 3.14, c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8. Directly you can substitute. 1 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into square root of 283.4 divided by 1.661 into 10 to the power minus 27. So we will get a value 2192.5 centimeter inverse. So when you take the IR spectrum for HI, you will get a peak at 2192 centimeter inverse. Then next one, given that the fundamental vibrational band for, this is not, this 4 carbon monoxide is at 2140 centimeter inverse. Calculate the force constant of carbon oxygen bond. Mass of carbon is given as 1.9927 into 10 to the power minus 27 and mass of oxygen is given as 2.6565 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. So do it as an assignment and submit. Go through what is given, what are the units, and do the calculation properly and submit to me as an assignment. Okay. Today I am taking this only. Next application is next type. So that I'll take in the next class. So this is related to what we have seen with what we have seen till now. So we have calculated diatomic molecules vibrational energy, considering it to be a simple harmonic oscillator. Transitions all, we have seen what is the vibrations, and also that is this one. Now we'll go to the application, remaining application, the next class. Okay, thank you.